Hello, this is Team Calm, and our project topic is women safety. The problem: Eve teasing, sexual harassment, rape, domestic violence against women are increasing day by day. The amount of violence against women have increased by many folds due to greater exposure in every field. In order to curb the misconduct against women, we have developed a system that can reduce crime against women. Statistics. Before going to the solution, I wanted to give some statistics which will tell you how much important it is to curb this situation. According to recent government data, 32,500 cases of rape were registered with the police in 2017, almost 90 per day. The National Crime Records Bureau on October 21st, 2019 released its report for the year 2017, which stated that 359,849 cases of crime against women were reported in the country. So, what is the solution? A proposed solution includes scenarios such as the victim, the family, the emergency services such as police, ambulance, and we also include the cooperator of that area. Now, how does our solution works? Okay, we have created an Android and iOS app for the victim, an app website and app for police and emergency services. Now, when the victim sends an SOS, the family, the police, and the emergency services are alerted with the exact location from that is the latitude and longitude from the GPS. If the GPS is off for some reason, the the uh, the last location of the victim's family will be taken. Okay. Uh, Also, now a question will be asked: what if the emergency services don't have the app or website? It is a probability that can happen. Or what if they are not using it at that time? We also tweet this SOS message so that the probability of helping the victim increases. We want to increase basically the probability that the victim gets help. So, how are we going to achieve this solution? Okay. So before going with the demo, I'll show you how the flow works. Okay, so that when I'll show you the demo, you'll have a clear idea. So it starts by just the victim or the person who's going to use the phone, who's going to use the app, just by registering the name, username, password, name, setting the username, password, who are the SOS members, that is kings, that is our family, friend, um, anybody it can be. Now once that is done, that is the basic registration. It is just a single screen and no complication in that. So who is using the app can also share its location with others. Now the first question will be asked that this happens, right? No, in our app it is our own route which shows it, and our personal mapping system which we have created with our own pathfinding algorithms used in this, right? So how we have achieved this we'll show you in the later presentation. As soon as the SOS signal is clicked, okay, the cooperator, police, the victim family is shared the exact location, okay. Also, the victim's family, the victim, police, and the cooperator all can see who are helping each other in real time. That is location sharing plus SOS. Also, the same thing is tweeted on Twitter and is also obtained using uh, web scraping. Okay, so this is the full process which we have created in the last 36 hours. So let's see how our demo works. Okay, so we have created a video. So simple. So you can see there is no lag within the map. It's easy to use, and in the blue dot you can see your current location. That is victim. So now let's say that we press the SOS button. it immediately opens the camera and starts recording. And also we have alerted the authorities in the back end, which we will be showing you. Immediately it starts recording. Okay. Every scenario, the victim gets a message, and everybody gets a message saying SOS button has been clicked and the police has been notified. That's an assurance notification. Yeah. So now in the police headquarters, what happens? Now this has been notified in the Goregaon, in the area of Goregaon. We are using nearby API to do this. Okay. So basically, when the victim is on the move, we check which is the nearest police station at all time. So let's say a victim is going from Borivali to Kandivali, we already know which is the closest police station using geofencing. So, and this everything is been hosted on a Kubernetes. So the the delay is very minimal. So in a police headquarters, that is now it is happened in Goregaon in Mumbai. So it is Goregaon police station. Goregaon police station can see all the SOS alerts taken. So you can see a 1 minute ago SOS alert has been set. Like that, only a list of alerts can be seen in one go. Okay. So now we want to know the exact location. So when we click on get route, Google Maps opens and you can know the exact location, how much farther this is from the location. Okay. Okay. Now this the second question is that now what if now the probability is only till the police station right now. So maximum now the what happens in normal cases also is that the SOS signal is only set to the police. Now the problem is it is technology oriented. That is, we can send a message, we can send a WhatsApp message, we can give an app to the police, we can give a website to the police. But sometimes technology slacks do happen. That is, the police might not be online at that time. Anything can happen. We don't know. So what how should we increase the probability of helping the victim, right? So we what we do is that whenever a victim clicks the SOS button, first of all, an online FIR is already registered. Online FIRs are already registered, and a tweet is posted on a tweet. Our system tweets that the victim's location and where the SOS button has been clicked, tagging the Mumbai police on Twitter. So or Mumbai or Chennai, any police on Twitter. That is. So and we web scrap everything. मतलब we post it on hashtag team calm. So judges, you can check hashtag team calm. Our test, or we have tested all our tweets there only. So every tweet can be seen there, right? So you can see all the tweets from testing one, testing, or an SOS signal has been alerted at Borivali. Kindly reach there with the latitude and longitude. So it's just awesome, uh, and it's all real time. There is no read of it's all done on snapshot, so you can see all my tweets which I have done. It's all there already. So a person does not require to have the app in order to know it. So let's say I am a neighbor, or neighbor I am a person living in that neighborhood. So I can just see, I'll come to know on my Twitter